Hello everyone, di video ini kamu akan menemukan 50 ungkapan bahasa Inggris sehari-hari yang sering digunakan di sekolah. Mulai dari sapaan, instruksi guru, hingga percakapan dengan teman, semuanya dijelaskan dengan cara yang praktis dan mudah dipahami. Yuk tonton dan jangan lupa catat ungkapan favoritmu. Selamat pagi, Pak. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Selamat pagi, Bu. Good morning, Ma'am. Good morning, Ma'am. Apa jadwal hari ini? What's the schedule for today? What's the schedule for today? Apakah kita ada kelas sekarang? Do we have a class now? Do we have a class now? Pelajaran apa yang kita punya selanjutnya? What subject do we have next? What subject do we have next? Kapan waktu istirahat? When is the break time? When is the break time? Bolehkah saya ke kamar mandi? May I go to the restroom? May I go to the restroom? Bolehkah saya meminjam pensilmu? Can I borrow your pencil? Can I borrow your pencil? Apa arti kata ini? What does this word mean? What does this word mean? Bisakah Anda menjelaskan lagi? Can you explain it again? Can you explain it again? Apakah ini benar? Is this correct? Is this correct? Boleh saya duduk di sini? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Bagaimana mengeja kata ini? How do you spell this word? How do you spell this word? Halaman berapa kita sekarang? What page are we on? What page are we on? Bisa bantu saya dengan ini? Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? Apakah kita perlu mencatat ini? Do we need to write this down? Do we need to write this down? Saya tidak mengerti. I don't understand. I don't understand. Saya pikir ini benar. I think it's correct. I think it's correct. Saya tidak yakin. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Saya tahu jawabannya. I know the answer. I know the answer. Biar saya coba. Let me try. Let me try. Saya setuju denganmu. I agree with you. I agree with you. Saya tidak setuju. I disagree. I disagree. Saya tidak tahu. I have no idea. I have no idea. Apakah boleh saya melewati pertanyaan ini? Is it okay if I skip this question? Is it okay if I skip this question? Maaf saya terlambat. I'm sorry I'm late. I'm sorry I'm late. Saya lupa PR saya. I forgot my homework. I forgot my homework. Saya tidak membawa buku saya hari ini. I didn't bring my book today. I didn't bring my book today. Saya meninggalkan tugas saya di rumah. I left my assignment at home. I left my assignment at home. Saya tidak mengerti PR-nya. I didn't understand the homework. I didn't understand the homework. Boleh saya menyerahkan ini besok? Can I submit this tomorrow? Can I submit this tomorrow? Saya tidak bisa mendengar Anda dengan jelas. I can't hear you clearly. I can't hear you clearly. Internetnya tidak berfungsi. The internet is not working. The internet is not working. Saya merasa sakit. I feel sick. I feel sick. Bolehkah saya pergi ke klinik? Can I go to the clinic? Can I go to the clinic? Komputer saya tidak berfungsi. My computer is not working. My computer is not working. Apa jawabanmu untuk pertanyaan ini? What's your answer for this question? What's your answer for this question? Mari kita kerjakan ini bersama. Let's work on this together. Let's work on this together. Boleh saya lihat catatanmu? Can I see your notes? Can I see your notes? Mari kita bandingkan jawaban kita. Let's compare our answers. Let's compare our answers. Apakah kamu mengerti bagian ini? Do you understand this part? Do you understand this part? Apa pendapatmu tentang ini? What do you think about this? What do you think about this? Bisakah kamu menjelaskan ini kepada saya? Can you explain this to me? Can you explain this to me? Apakah jawaban saya benar? Is my answer correct? Is my answer correct? Mari kita tanyakan kepada guru. Let's ask the teacher. Let's ask the teacher. Kita harus menyelesaikan ini sebelum batas waktu. We need to finish this before the deadline. We need to finish this before the deadline. Kapan ujian? When is the test? When is the test? Apakah kita ada PR hari ini? Do we have any homework today? Do we have any homework today? Bolehkah saya pulang lebih awal hari ini? Can I leave early today? Can I leave early today? Apakah ini akan keluar di ujian? Is this going to be on the test? Is this going to be on the test? Jam berapa kelas selesai? What time does the class end? What time does the class end?